Hey everybody, welcome to the workshop. Today's episode is going to be a quick one. When the inspector came through on my new house, he found a couple of little things that I'm having to take care of. One of them is a loose outlet. The thing just wobbles back and forth. So today I'm going to show you how to take care of it. It's quick and it's easy and it's something that you can do yourself. So stick with me on today's episode of Adam's Workshop. Alright everybody, the first step in doing anything electrical around your house is to find your circuit breaker panel, which we have here. Open it up, and what you want to do is you want to look on the side over here where it shows what each one of your breakers is for. Find the correct one, and we want to shut that off. Safety first. Alright, now that we have the power off, this is the outlet that we have. And as you can see, it's moving all over the place. This is very simple to fix. We need two tools. One is going to be our flat tip screwdriver, and that is going to take off the top panel here. The second one is going to be a Phillips head screwdriver. So first we're going to take off the front cover. Now, the reason why this thing is moving is because you have two screws, one here and one here. And as you can see, they're sliding back and forth on them because they were just not tightened up properly. So now we're going to take our Phillips head screwdriver and we're going to just tighten them up. Now you don't need to crank down on them really hard. As you can see, now it's snugged up. So now we'll put our front cover back on. Now we have a cover and an outlet that is nice and tight. So now the last step is to just turn the power back on your breaker panel. Alright everybody, now that project is fixed. The only thing left to do would be to go around to each one of your outlets and switches and make sure everything is tight and not moving around. Well, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all again next time in the workshop.